Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If your Android microphone isn't working, maybe people can't hear you during calls, your voice recording are silent, or apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or TikTok can't access your mic, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 quick and proven solutions to get your microphone working again. Let's dive right into it. Solution 1. Check microphone permissions. Sometimes the microphone isn't working simply because the app doesn't have the proper permissions. Here how to fix it. Open the settings app. Scroll down and tap on apps and management. Here tap on permission manager. Then scroll down and tap on microphone. Here choose the app where the microphone isn't working like WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram or camera. Select microphone and set it to allow. Repeat this process for any app you are having issues with. Solution 2. Test with the voice recorder app. Let's check whether the issue is with your microphone hardware or just a specific app. Open the voice recorder app. Record a short voice clip. Play it back. If the recording is silent or sound distorted, it may be a hardware issue. But if the recording sounds fine, the problem is app specific and adjusting app permissions or reinstalling the app should solve it. Solution 3. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. Your phone may be connected to a Bluetooth device like wireless or speakers, which can reroute your microphone input. To fix it, swipe down to open the quick settings panel. Tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off. Now test the microphone again. Solution 4. Reset app preferences. If you have recently changed settings or defined permissions, this reset can fix it without deleting any data. Here's how. Open the settings app. Tap on apps and management. Tap the three dots menu in the top right corner. Select reset app preferences. Tap confirm. Don't worry, this wouldn't delete your apps or personal data. It only resets preferences like disable apps, notification settings, and permissions. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.